In this video, I'll show you how to assign an AI agent to handle your Telegram conversations. If you have connected your Telegram bot to your tawk.to inbox and have AI Assist enabled, you can set your AI agent to automatically reply to incoming messages. This allows you to provide instant 24/7 support to your customers directly through the Telegram app. To set this up, log into your tawk.to account and select the correct property. Click Add-ons in the side menu. Under AI Assist, click Settings and then select your AI agent. In the Channels section under your agent settings, here, you will see a list of all your connected messaging platforms. Locate the Telegram section. You can use the master toggle to enable the AI for all connected Telegram inboxes at once, or you can individually toggle specific bots on or off if you manage more than one. Once enabled, your AI agent will immediately begin answering new questions that come through your connected Telegram bots. For more assistance, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.